Are you looking for a wireless smart security camera to protect your home, cabin, or small business? Today, we're taking a close look at the Blink Outdoor 4, comparing it with two of its strongest competitors, the Arlo Pro 5S, the Google Nest Cam Battery, outdoor/indoor. So you can find the best security camera for your needs, budget, and smart home ecosystem. If you love clear, honest smart home comparisons that save you time and money, hit that like button and subscribe for weekly tech reviews. First, let's break down the Blink Outdoor 4. Pros: a wire-free, easy DIY installation with a compact design for discreet outdoor placement. Up to 2 years of battery life on 2AA lithium batteries, a major advantage for those who don't want frequent battery swaps. Supports 1080p HD video with infrared night vision for clear monitoring day and night. A motion detection alert sent directly to your phone. Compatible with Alexa for voice control and viewing feeds on Echo Show devices. Affordable upfront cost and scalable for multi-camera setups. Offers local storage with the Blink Sync Module 2 when using a USB drive, avoiding cloud fees. Con: requires a Blink subscription for advanced features like cloud storage and person detection. No 2K or 4K resolution, which limits zoom clarity compared to competitors. No continuous recording, event-based recording only. A limited smart detection compared to Google Nest and Arlo's advanced AI features. A narrower field of view than some competitors. The Blink Outdoor 4 is perfect if you want a budget-friendly, easy-to-use security system with excellent battery life for basic home monitoring. Next, let's look at the Arlo Pro 5S. Pros: offers 2K video resolution, providing sharper images for license plates and facial recognition. A color night vision and integrated spotlight for clearer nighttime recordings. Or advanced AI detection, including person, package, vehicle, and animal detection with Arlo Secure subscription. Dual-band Wi-Fi and Arlo Secure Link connectivity for stable, reliable connections. A rechargeable battery with quick-release design, and optional solar charging for continuous power. A wider 160 degrees field of view for better coverage. Compatible with Alexa, Google Assistant, and Apple HomeKit. Con: requires an Arlo Secure subscription for advanced detection and cloud storage. A higher upfront cost compared to Blink. A battery life is typically around 3 to 6 months depending on usage, less than Blink's 2 years. Some users report app notifications with slight delays depending on Wi-Fi stability. The Arlo Pro 5S is perfect if you want higher video resolution, advanced AI detection, and flexible smart home integration for more detailed home security. Now let's discuss the Google Nest Cam Battery, outdoor/indoor. Pros: 1080p HD video with HDR for improved clarity in bright and dark areas. Intelligent alerts with person, animal, and vehicle detection without requiring a subscription. A local backup. Records up to 1 hour of events even when Wi-Fi is down. Can store up to 3 hours of event history without a subscription. A two-way audio with clear microphone and speaker quality. Works seamlessly with Google Assistant and the Google Home ecosystem. A sleek, modern design that looks clean on any exterior or interior wall. Optional Nest Aware subscription for 24/7 continuous recording and extended event history. Con: does not support Apple HomeKit. Requires frequent charging, typically every 1 to 3 months depending on activity, unless hardwired. Higher price point than Blink. A slightly narrower field of view, 130 degrees, than Arlo. A full functionality and best experience require the Google Home app. The Google Nest Cam Battery is perfect if you want smart alerts without mandatory subscriptions, seamless Google Home integration, and a modern design for your smart home. So, which wireless smart security camera should you choose for 2025? The Blink Outdoor 4 is your pick if you want affordable, basic home monitoring with unbeatable battery life, and easy Alexa integration. The Arlo Pro 5S is best if you want higher resolution, color night vision, advanced AI detection, and multi-ecosystem compatibility for detailed home security. The Google Nest Cam Battery is ideal if you're in the Google ecosystem and want smart alerts without subscriptions, clean design, and intelligent monitoring. Which feature matters most to you? Battery life, advanced AI detection, or smart home integration? Drop a comment below and let me know which camera you're considering for your home. Affiliate links for easy purchase. Purchasing through these links supports the channel at no extra cost to you and helps us continue providing honest, clear tech reviews for your smart home setup. Thank you. Thumbs up if you found this helpful, like this video, subscribe, and ring the bell for weekly smart home tech reviews and practical gear comparisons. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.